Hello, and welcome to our lesson on developing the schedule part 2. This segment will continue to cover defining resources management approach. A resource breakdown structure is a hierarchical framework that systematically decomposes and organizes the resources needed for a project. It is a project management tool that provides a clear and visual representation of the various types of resources required to execute project tasks and activities. The resource breakdown structure is often used with the work breakdown structure to ensure that the resources needed adequately support all project work. Key features of a resource breakdown structure are 1. Hierarchical structure. Like the work breakdown structure, the resource breakdown structure is organized hierarchically. It breaks down the project into smaller, manageable components, with each level representing a more detailed breakdown of resources. 2. Resource categories. The RBS categorizes resources based on their types, such as human resources, personnel, equipment, materials, facilities, or any other resource category relevant to the project. Each category can be further subdivided into specific resource elements. 3. Alignment with WBS. The RBS is closely aligned with the work breakdown structure. Each element in the WBS corresponds to the resources needed for the associated task or activity in the RBS. This alignment ensures that all project work has the necessary support in terms of resources. 4. Identification and definition. Resources are identified and defined at each level of the RBS. This involves specifying the quantity, quality, and characteristics of the resources required to complete project tasks successfully. 5. Resource planning and allocation. The RBS serves as a foundation for resource planning and allocation. It helps project managers determine when and where resources are needed, ensuring they are available at the right time. 6. Integration with project management processes. The RBS integrates with various project management processes, including schedule planning, risk management, and quality management. It provides a comprehensive view of the resources involved in different aspects of the project. 7. Updates and changes. The RBS is a dynamic tool that can be updated and revised as the project progresses. It accommodates changes in resource requirements, additions, or reallocations based on the project's evolving needs. A resource breakdown structure enhances project management by providing a systematic and organized view of the resources essential for project execution. It aids in resource planning, allocation, and management, contributing to successfully delivering project outcomes. A project organization chart, also known as a project organizational structure or hierarchy, visualizes the relationships and hierarchy within a project team. It illustrates how different roles and responsibilities are distributed among team members and stakeholders throughout the project's lifecycle. The project organization chart helps define reporting lines, communication channels, and decision-making authority, fostering effective collaboration and coordination. The project organization chart can be complemented by developing a job description for each role in the project, highlighting objectives, roles and responsibilities, authority level, skills and competencies needed, and key performance criteria. The RAM depicts allocating project resources to individual work packages, facilitating a visual representation of the connections between work packages or activities and the respective project team members. In the context of larger projects, RAMs can be constructed at various hierarchical levels. A high-level RAM, for instance, outlines the responsibilities of project teams, groups, or units within each work breakdown structure component. On a more granular level, lower-level RAMs are employed within specific groups to delineate roles, responsibilities, and authority levels for particular activities. The matrix format of the RAM presents a comprehensive view showcasing all activities associated with a specific person and, conversely, all individuals linked to a particular activity. This structure ensures singular accountability for each task, mitigating confusion regarding ultimate responsibility or authority for the work. A prominent example of a RAM is the RACI, Responsible, Accountable, Consult, and Inform chart. This chart lists activities in the left column, while assigned resources, whether individuals or groups, are detailed alongside. The RACI chart is a valuable tool for clearly defining roles and responsibilities, particularly in projects involving internal and external resources. The resource management plan is usually put in a document and presented or reviewed to the project sponsor and other key stakeholders, such as the project management office or the program manager, in case the project is part of a program, to ensure agreement and obtain approval on it. A sample resource management plan template is shown. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss estimating resources. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you in our next segment.